Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn with Saad. Today I am going to talk about 3 things to improve our English. Learning any language is a continuous process and it takes time. The things we will talk about today are the things we do every day in our everyday life. Number 1. Improve English through music. We like to listen to music, but we don't pay as much attention to the lyrics as we do to the melody. Through music we can improve our listening skills. The more words we can catch, the more our listening skills will increase. I think this is a good way to improve our listening skills. Moreover, we can understand the meaning by watching the lyrics of any English song from YouTube. It's really fun, right? Number 2. Memorize vocabulary by reading newspaper. We usually memorize vocabulary from the dictionary, but in a very short time we forget. Rather, we can read 5 lines of English newspaper every day to memorize vocabulary. If we don't know the meaning of any words within those 5 lines, then we will look up the dictionary. Thus, if we memorize vocabulary by understanding the meaning of a sentence, we will remember it for a long time. Number 3. Learn English through story. This is my personal favorite. On YouTube we will find many channels that publish famous English stories in the form of audiobook. We can hear before we go to bed at night. It's really amazing. I shared the channel link in my description. From there you can listen to the stories. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.